Wedding Glam. So that looks good. Let me put a little bit here. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle, all that. Go ahead and subscribe, all that. Hey guys, so in today's video, this is the first time that I've done this, but this is actually going to be a hair tutorial. So I'm going to be doing some wand curls to get some nice loose waves in my hair, and I'm going to make this wedding inspired. This is a great wedding look, so if you're going to be doing your own hair for your wedding or any sort of upcoming event, this will be a great tutorial to stay tuned to, girl. I'm telling you, I got the tea and I'm spilling it. I have a nice, wedding inspired glam for you with a bold lip. Now this lip color, my husband actually bought this for me. I've never had a Fenty Beauty lip product at all. I've never had a Fenty Beauty lip product. I only have a bronzer and a luminizer, and that's it. So this is called Flamingo Acid, this color. That's a cute name. Flamingo Acid. It's a matte lip color. This is so pretty. This is a great wedding look. This is a great night out look, date night. Perfect. And the lashes that I have on are new lashes by Promise Mix. They're called Oh Honey. Ooh Honey or Oh Honey. Whatever it is, it's cute. I'll have the link below. You already know how I do, And let's get into this hair stuff. So first, I'm going to start with laying my edges. I had my hair tied up last night, so they're kind of laid down, but I want to perfect that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of edge control on and put my little scarf on so it can kind of set while we do, while we curl our hair. So let me just brush my edges out. Now the edge control that I love, that I always use, and I continue to rebuy it. This is one item that I always rebuy, and me, I don't commit. I don't like buy different products all the time, but this I continue to buy. It's called She's Bomb Edge Control. I got this in my local beauty supply store. I don't know. I think this they have a website. I'm not sure, but you can look it up. It's called She's Bomb Edge Control. I'll try to find a link for you guys, but I did get this in my local beauty supply store. I think it's $9. It's a clear edge control. So I like this. It does a pretty good job holding without looking, flaky. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on my edges. I'm going to use my camera as my mirror. Let me just scoot in so I can see. I always put some like here on my forearm, so I can just go back in and, add it without going back into the tube. So let's put some here. Now my edges, like I said, they're pretty nice from last night. I just want to brush them out some more and then put a little bit of it on. I try not to overdo the, the edge control, girl. We don't need to do all that. I'm just going to put some here. My edges look pretty good. Like once in a while, I do put relaxer on my edges, although I don't perm the rest of my hair or relax the rest of my hair. But I definitely put on the edges. Like every like 4 months or so, I put it on. I don't care. Who cares? But the rest of my hair, I don't have a perm because I'm always wearing bundles, extensions. Like, what am I perming my head for? All right, so I'm just doing here. I don't want the baby hairs to be too, I don't want that look, but I do like them to look, nice and soft. And I'm just using one of these little edge things. Mine's is like, girl, so dirty and so gross, but I don't know. It works so good. I'm gonna put this behind here because I am gonna leave this part behind my ear when I curl it, because this is gonna be a nice wedding glam. So that looks good. Let me put a little bit here. And I'm gonna tie this part down so it can like set. All right, so that's it. I'm going to use this is actually I don't know if you remember from my last video, this is my niece's company, which is called Petit Gal Teens. It comes with a bonnet, but I don't need the bonnet right now because I'm going to curl my hair. So I use this to tie my edges down. So it fits perfectly around the edges and it's satin. So you already know. It's going to be laid when we take this off, girl. It's going to be laid. So I'm going to go ahead and just tie that up. and then we'll go ahead and curl our hair. So that is on. You can see it kind of tied back here, but I'm just gonna brush through this hair. This hair is by Posh Tresses by Shantae, and I did do a recent video with just the first impressions of the hair, so I am reviewing it. So I decided, you know, why not put some curls in it on video and do a tutorial. But as you can see, the hair is pretty nice. You can see that my brush runs right through it. It's a really bouncy, the luster is low, so it's not too shiny, which is good, because when it's too shiny, it gives it to me like a super fake look. But this hair is not like that, and it's very full. This is the loose wave. So let's go ahead and section this off. Now, I'm not going to be too neat because it's not necessary with this type of hairstyle. So I'm just going to grab a few random pieces, and then I'm going to show you how I do the curls, or how I do the wand curls. I need a clip though. Hold on. Let's see how this stuff goes. I'm just going to clip this here because this is how I normally do it. I don't do anything too fancy or anything like that. Just brush through it. So I'm just going to grab pieces, and I'll show you the direction that you need to take when you're curling it, and how you need to hold the curling wand in order to get the waves. So this is the wand that I have. It's called Andis. This is just random, something that I brought a long time ago. She's literally falling apart. So let's go ahead and grab the pieces. Now, you don't want to do the pieces too small. You just want to grab sections like this. Nothing too small. Actually, this is too small for me. Grab this, and you're going to turn the tip of the wand curl down. Make sure you put this lever away. Turn it down and go all the way here and wrap it, twist it, wrap it, twist. I don't know if you can see that. Wrap, twist until you get to the ends. So you have to make sure you do this like twisting thing that I'm doing here to get that wave pattern. All right, so you just hold it for a few seconds, and we'll see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that go. I think it's hot enough. It's a thick piece of hair, but let's let me go and see what happens. So this is what we're gonna get. So it's gonna be a nice wave, okay? So we're gonna continue to do that. So on this side, again, you're going to point the wand down, and we're doing this like kind of away from our face. So we're going to put the wand behind the piece here, and then you're just going to go ahead and wrap it around, twist, go around, twist, go around, twist, go around, and try to fit everything on there, and you just hold it. Tell this piece is going to be tangled at the tip of the curler because it's falling apart, like I said. But you just hold it. I feel like I hold mine for like 15 seconds or so, and then I let it go. See, it's caught because this thing is so raggedy. So I'm just going to gently untwist it so the hair doesn't get all tangled and stuck in there. So there it is. All right, so there we are. So you kind of get the gist of it. I'm going to continue to go ahead and do it until I get close to the top, and I'll show you guys again. So I'm just going to speed it up so you guys can see. Okay. So this is gonna, I think this is the last one I'm gonna do. It's gonna be the last curl. And I'll show you one more time the technique I used to get the wave. Get the wand, put it behind, so that way it's away from your face. Then we go here, we wrap it, and I'm twisting it, and I'm wrapping it. Twisting it, wrapping it, twisting it, and then you hold it. For a few seconds. I feel like I hold it longer than I should, but and I let it go. Pull the wand out, and that is the curl, or the wavy curl. And I'm gonna go ahead and take off my scarf here. All right, that took long enough. Take that off. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and just kind of like finger comb it a bit. I'm not gonna really comb it out too much, but just to kind of like get them in place and loosen the ends up just a little. Just come out here. I feel like I need to curl something here. Yeah, this part didn't get curled. So let me just grab the curl iron. Just kind of do a quick little. Since the hair is so thin, I'm not gonna hold it that long because I don't want it to be too much of a curl. Now, if you want holding spray, you can do that. I don't like any sort of holding spray on my hair. This hair curls very well without anything. As you can see, I didn't put any product. I just was curling it. All right, this is coming out. This came out so nice. You can put like a little bow here. As a matter of fact, let me grab, I actually have my fascinator that I wore in my hair for my wedding. I had a blusher on, I don't know where that is, but I did have a fascinator, so I'm gonna grab that and put it in my hair so we can get the whole up. We're gonna catch this whole wedding glam vibe, okay? I have my fascinator, I'm gonna put that in. Just wanna show you the hair. Let me just scooch back a little bit so you can see the ends and how it looks. See, I'm not combing it out. If you wanted it more loose, I guess you can brush it out with a comb or a brush that has wide teeth. This is it. Looks so pretty. Let me scoop back in. And I'm gonna put my fascinator in so you guys can catch this vibe. This is what it looks like. It's just like feathers with a little, you know, rhinestone here. Remember, I bought this off of eBay for my wedding, okay? So I'm just gonna clip it here. Slide that pin here. So pretty. Let me go grab something else. I really want to give you guys a nice wedding glam, you know, vibe. We're gonna take it to the fullest. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. So I don't have a veil, but I do have this little kimono that I got from Forever 21, and I'm gonna throw it on my head just so you guys can catch this, you know, this little vibe. I just want to get you in that wedding feel, you know. Just gonna place this over here. Oh my God, girl, look how pretty this is, guys. Here comes the bride. This is pretty. So I'm giving you all the vibe. Look at the sleeve. Don't mind that. So this came out so gorgeous. As you can see, this hair is beautiful. I kind of feel like I'm about to get married. I'm already married though, but take a look, guys. Let me give you a little slow motion. Okay, gang, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like this video. If you want more hair tutorials or if you want to see more wedding inspired videos, of course, let me know. As you guys, or some of you probably know, I am a freelance makeup artist. It's been a while since I've done anyone's makeup. Like, it's been March was the last time I did makeup, and it was for a wedding, and that's right when we got shut down. And I haven't done any makeup since, so you know, this is kind of like memories. Doing wedding, I don't do wedding hair, I only do wedding makeup, but it's wedding inspired. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like it. Please thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. You have to subscribe. I'm pumping out these videos for you guys. I mean, I just showed you how to do your hair for your wedding. I saved you hundreds of dollars, okay? Hundreds. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.